Hello students, welcome to LUCID Study. This is Indira. Now we are going to discuss Physics Senior Inter Model Question Paper, that is Model Paper number 4. So this is according to the new pattern, children. So new pattern, it is going to have different sections, that is section A, section B and section C. And from section A you will have 10 questions and you have to answer 10 questions. 10 into 2, it is 20 marks. And from section B you will have 12 questions. Options are more here, number of choices increased. And here you have to answer only 6 questions. So 6 into 4, that is 24 marks. And section C, you have here 4 questions, out of which you have to answer only 2 questions. And 2 into 8 marks, that is 16 marks. So it is very easy this year. So let us discuss the questions and answers in detail. Explain chain reaction and multiplication factor. How is chain reaction sustained? So chain reaction, what is the chain reaction? Nuclear fission undergoes the chain reaction. So for this, only 3 neutrons will be produced when one uranium atom is destroyed. So initially 3 neutrons will be produced when one uranium atom is destroyed. So next you will have, out of this few neutrons, you will have 9 neutrons will be produced. And next reaction will be 27 neutrons will be produced. So this is called as chain reaction. So this is called as chain reaction. Initially when one uranium atom is destroyed, it produces 3 neutrons and next it produces 9 neutrons and next 27. So this is a chain reaction, sustained chain reaction. So next we have to discuss about the multiplication factor. For the multiplication factor, it is neutron multiplication factor, it's taken as K. So K is equal to number of neutrons produced in present generation by number of neutrons produced in previous generation. For the sustained chain reaction here, initially we should have the multiplication factor should be greater than or equal to 1. And the mass of the uranium, it should be greater than the critical mass. And here at least to start the reaction, 1 thermal neutron should be present. To start the chain reaction, 1 thermal neutron should be present. And next we should have wherever the fast moving neutrons will be there, that should be converted into slow neutrons by passing them through the moderator. Okay, so these are the points you have to write, children. So first point is explain chain reaction. Chain reaction is that in a nuclear fission reaction, chain reaction is going to happen and this chain reaction is going to happen when one uranium atom is destroyed. It is going to produce 3 neutrons and next it produces 9 neutrons, next it produces 27 neutrons. So like this you will have the chain reaction. So next we should discuss about the multiplication factor. So for the multiplication factor, number of neutrons in the present generation to the number of neutrons in the previous generation. It is a ratio here. And here we have this to start the chain reaction or to sustain the chain reaction. The multiplication factor should be greater than or equal to 1. And the mass of the uranium should be greater than the critical mass. And to start the reaction, at least 1 thermal neutron should be present and it should start the reaction. And the fast moving neutrons, they should be converted into the slow moving neutrons by passing them through the moderator. So this you have to write. Thank you.